time to get clitoris. So there is an image of the clitoris behind me, and this is a rendition of the clitoris. So basically, this is the glans. This is equivalent to the glans of the penis, and it's the only part that you see on a woman, although you can see the whole body of the clitoris, or the body of the penis on a man. This is the body, and then it starts to go and divide. And basically, this is part that you can't see, but this is all erectile tissue for the woman. The clitoris is just a sexual organ. It is the female sexual organ. It's the most erogenous zone in a woman's body. And so not having a focus in on the clitoris during sex is like not having the penis involved in sex. That's how important it is to women in arousal. And so if you basically are pushing this button that you can see, that starts the arousal for a woman. And basically erectile tissue, and this is all erectile tissue, it's like the corpus cavernosum for women, it basically with arousal will get engorged and swell. And arousal is lubrication. And again, this is the vaginal canal, so the vaginal canal and the G-spot, which is just shortly into the vaginal canal, is closely related to the clitoris. But as you can see, if we just focused in on penetration, and penetration is the huge concern or focus, we're missing all of this as part of the arousal and orgasm for a woman, because this is the penis for a woman. So basically focus in on the clitoris, and slow and sensual and soft and subtle is a great way. Even if somebody likes it a little rougher after, or a more, vigorous stimulation, always starting slow and subtle and soft and sensual is always good until that arousal happens. But just know that there's lots of things getting aroused and engorged behind the scenes. So by the time you get to penetration, she's so aroused and close to orgasm potentially that, again, the duration of sex may become a little bit less important. But again, there's G-spot, there's lots and lots of different types of orgasm for women. And so G-spot is one of them. And 80% of women will say they do not have vaginal, or G-spot, but internal orgasms, because it isn't just a spot. But it's closely related to the clitoris as well. The clitoris just wants attention. So if we can just give it attention, this gland alone has 8,000 nerve endings. And that's a great nerve to be on top of. So, or lots of them. So basically a focus in on the clitoris allows better arousal, better lubrication, and better orgasmic strength for women. And just a little bit of clitoral or clitorisy on a Sunday. So hopefully this helps, and again, a better life is a better sex life, and the clitoris does play a role in that for women. Thanks.